Before we really get started, I just wanted to give you guys an overview of why we made this this workbook. One of the main thoughts behind it was they're the key concepts that we'll go over this semester, whether we're talking about drawing circles in perspective or convergence, moving vanishing points around. They all kind of fit in here, and we wanted this to be something that you guys keep and can be a reference for you as you do more complicated drawings for this section, or when you move into fall and you start doing some other drawings and renderings. We also thought that it would be nice if this felt a little bit like a sketchbook. So it's got the saddle stitch. You can lay it somewhat flat. The cream paper begins to mimic what is my favorite sketchbook, which is a moleskin, and we want to encourage you to go ahead and get some sketchbooks. I like these because they ultimately work a little bit like a journal. I can remember working on some of these drawings here, and even though I didn't make this chair, it's captured in my sketchbook, and maybe someday in the future I'll go and do it. So I encourage you to get a sketchbook and go ahead and start doing that. I wish that basically I had all of my drawings over the last 20 plus years were in sketchbooks. This lays down somewhat flat. We will direct you as to whether or not we want you to use pen or pencil, or the different types of pens that we have, whether we want you to use tools or not as we move forward. There's some blank pages in here that will kind of walk you through some getting started exercises. The overview of the course, the overview of the 3 weeks, I wanted one place where you could see all of it. I know that with Canvas you can be somewhat overwhelmed with a whole bunch of messages, and so this is something where you can probably come in here and just check off that you've done it, and that you've uploaded it, and that you've completed the exercises. Okay, we'll get started in just a minute.